JDCap26 here, just tips and repairs and hobbies, and nice to see you guys here today. And we're going to put some lights in this guy, and we're going to take the Dremel, and there's a little burr right there, and we're going to Dremel into his leg, behind his leg right here, like this. So you hold the model and go slow. Be careful. And you put a hole in his leg like that. Okay? And then we're going to touch it up after. So we got to put the Dremel away. So we'll put him to the side for now. Let's get one of these LEDs out. Yeah, we're having fun with the LEDs. Cut this open. Take the tape off. What you want to do is unravel this. I may cut some of this off, so. And that'll fit in there. Up in there like that. You want to put it in there like that. See? And I think I'll take some of this off here. Got this clipper here. Just cut some of that off. Save your wire. You never know when you need it. So we're going to split the wire here. And about 2 inches. About that much. See, like that. Okay. And then we'll take the clippers. We got the soldering iron heated up. These are excellent strippers. I highly recommend them. This part limits how much you want stripped off. So you just strip off the wire. Dump the piece over there. It's pulling out already. Get the battery box out. Some rosin here. Doesn't take much to do this, you know. We want to get one of these out, slip a heat shrink on. Oh, small one. I think one of these would be good. So let's strip the wire down more. I'm going to put a heat shrink on for each one of them. Twist the wire a little bit. Strip the wire a little more. It's going to go back up in there. You want to keep those connections separate so they don't cross over. If they cross over, they may not work. Okay, and let's see. These are stripped. These need to be stripped. And always black to black, white to white. Red to red, I mean. I'm sorry. Black is negative. So, put that in there. Pull that off. Do the red. Pull that off. Put these over here. And let's connect up the red, these two red wires. twist them in, that, and then the black wires. And we'll just dip it in the rosin a little bit. Oops. Just a little bit. And hold that like that. Take your, there we go, one on there. Let that cool. And one on there. That looks good. As soon as you use your solder gun, you're done soldering, cap off your rosin, and make sure you can clean your solder gun with a sponge like this. I made a little thing myself out of a sponge and just wet it. Keeps it damp in there, and it cleans the tip. You see? And just cap it off. Let's take a break here. So we move the heat sinks over your soldering, your heat shrink over your soldering. So I take it like this, and I fold it down like this, and slip it over where you soldered, like so. Okay, and then we got to plug in our hair dryer, a mini hair dryer. So much for that rubber band. Make sure you unplug your soldering iron. Always unplug that. So I went with the lighter method because the blow dryer was not getting hot enough, and it just, went over it like that with the lighter. Okay, so now we have to plug in the glue gun. So we're just going to put a little glue right here. On the wire. Get rid of the strings, and make sure this is on top like this. You can leave it loose, and once that dries, we're going to run the wires down to the bottom so you don't see them behind the leg. Okay, so it'll be like this. Get rid of these strings. I got another glue stick. So let's turn off the light here, and I'll show you what he looks like. Sorry about that, guys. Turn the light on. There it is on. And turn it off so it lights up like that. So thanks for watching, and appreciate you stopping by and checking out my channel. And please give me the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And we'll see you next time.